This is the VEVOR 88-pound adjustable bike repair stand. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so here's the box it came in. Everything's nicely wrapped up and packaged in bubble wrap, and it comes pretty much fully assembled. There's just a couple pieces that need to be put together, but that should be pretty simple. And of course, it comes with an instruction manual that'll help you do that. But anyway, this thing feels super solid and it's made from mostly metal parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up and we'll try it out. Setting it up is super simple. You just fold the legs out like this and then lock down this clamp here. Up at the top, if you want to do these two clamps, then you can rotate the clamp head. And then this lever will allow you to clamp down on the bike. And of course, you can adjust the clamp to different thicknesses by turning this piece here. You can also extend it upwards from about 41 inches all the way up to about 60 inches. It also comes with this nice little plastic tray with holes for screwdrivers and then some different compartments for all your parts, as well as a cup holder. And the tray is also easily removable. There's rubber on all of the feet, so it's going to hold itself in place better and not damage whatever you put it on. Anyway, loading up a bike on here is super easy. You just lift it up into the clamp and then clamp it down. And the stand also comes with this sort of stabilizer bar that you can hook onto the handlebars and then hook onto the stand, and that will hold the handlebars in place. It's not perfect, there is still a little bit of movement, but it works pretty well. And just overall, the stand holds the bike nice and stable. Again, it's not perfect, but it works pretty well. And if you do need to rotate the bike, you can undo these two clamps, rotate it, clamp them back down, and it holds it in place like this just as well. And if I go ahead and raise this thing up, you can see that it's still pretty solid. So yeah, this bike stand is super cool, holds the bike in place really well, it's nice and solid. It'll make it a lot easier to work on bikes, and I also like just how compactly it folds up.